I mean, they're teenagers. Their sleep patterns are a disaster. I see kids submitting assignments at 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. And I'm like, I'm thrilled that you are doing this rhetorical analysis assignment for your AP English class, but why are you awake? I think people really discount how much teenagers need routine and structure, and that they get that from school. We're trying to replicate that experience by having these consistent touch points with the daily classes and everything. But because it's not in person, it's just that much harder to really make it actually feel like a structure as opposed to just kind of a wishy-washy suggestion. My name is Rachel Fishkis. I'm an English teacher at Bronx Leadership Academy 2, which is a public Title I high school in the South Bronx. The kids that I see that are often doing the best with this change are the ones that are self-regulating enough to say, okay, I'm going to wake up every morning and get out of bed and have breakfast and sit down at the table and start class. But the majority of my students aren't doing that. They're waking up at 8:57, which I know because they've told me that's when they're setting their alarms, rolling over, opening their laptops in bed, and joining their first class at 9. I have been pleasantly surprised by how many of them have said, I need this type of help, or I'm actually doing better because of this. And I think it's the ones that don't have that self-awareness developed yet that may be struggling the most. What's been most remarkable to me is how they're able to maintain their personalities even when we move online. Each one of my classes still has the exact same general vibe as a cohesive unit, even though half the time they're just typing into the chat. But the students that on day 2 of online learning were asking me to give them a house tour are the same kids that asked me to show them pictures from my wedding or something when we were in person. It's the same kids that want me to do a Q&A session with my husband. They're just good at being themselves. It's very simple, but it's very beautiful. And I'm very grateful to them for that.